First of all, I would like to congratulate Saraswati Poswal and all Sargam Literary Interactions team for organizing these kind of ventures. Last time also I had participated in that and presented 3 poems. And today also I got this great opportunity to communicate and participate and interact with other all world poets and writers. And this is my pleasure to listen Malaya sir and other upcoming poets, so that I can also learn how to develop my creative writing. So through their poems also I also come to know the messages they are giving as a social awareness. So yeah, let me introduce myself. I, Dr. Morve Roshan, okay, postdoctoral scholar of Southwest University, China, and an honorary research associate at Bangor University, United Kingdom. I have been working since 7 years as a volunteering teaching work. I also do a literature related work, and I am also involved in many poem writing and in translation work. My many poems have been translated in world languages. Short story also translated in French and other Spanish languages also, and published in reputed journals and books and books or publications. Let me start with my one poem. On the occasion of World Environment Day, I'd like to recite my poem entitled Simplicity of Nature and Me. As an innocent child, I was growing up when the nature was caring to me. I share everything when I was free to see. The tree with leafy limes turns to me when I sit under the tree. Give me a peaceful shadow when the time was 3. Leaves were yellow, brown, and red races. This turns to green when the month of spring comes. Nature creates sensuality with a bird chirping and their lovely songs on the trees, giving me radiant smile when the branches rub to each other. Recycle of the birth again and again provides the fruits when I feel hungry. The nature is close to my dear, but I have a fear. Leave taking from us. These are lever, but before their leaving, chopping by monsters, tears come when I hear, like a rental agreement of lease, solicitous for the future, my dear. Alas, alas, it is lamentable thing, but they do not understand. They think only for the self, not caring of others. They continue the consequent to the environmental detriment. The voice of wind, whoosh, whoosh, gives instrument piece of musical voice. Enjoyable atmosphere creating by the nature, but destroying the human. Trees devastating by the human, missing the harmony, makes dizzy environment. Now, I have grown up. Nothing was as child experience. Who will give me back? Who will give me back those days? I'm missing those days. Here I end my poem, and this poem has been published in English. This is English poem and published in second volume Mansa magazine, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Syed Bari sir at the Central University of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, India. The message from this poem is: Through this poem, I'd like to give a message to protect our environment and bring environmental issues awareness also, so that many others will also inspire from you. We also need some movements like Chipko movement to conserve forest. So I hope you all will do something and initiative role um, for our to solve our environmental issues. Thank you so much for listening me carefully. I hope this poem will definitely bring some change in your surroundings. Here I would also like to read one poem which is not related to environment, but you can relate this with other religious or existence or non-existent things. So the title of the poem is Being and Nothing. Who knows? Who are they? No one knows who are they. How are they exist? Might they be knowing? But they are changing. Might they are binding with their life, with family, with gender, and with religion. They are avoiding their duties because it is not a time to walk. That's why they are running. That's why they are running for their dreams to get. Think that what I get or what I forget, in the end, all their labor is worthless because all will waste and all will lost. So this poem was written in 24 June 2013. So I would like to end my recitation here and give the opportunity to other poet and writers to listen and to recite their poems. I from my heart, I really thanks to Literary Sargam Interaction team, and special thanks to Saraswati Poswalji ma'am for organizing this kind of ventures, and my best wishes for her to keep organizing it, so that new young writers, poets and novelists also come and share their writing experiences and so on. Thank you so much. So I end my session here and hand over this stage to Saraswati Poswal ma'am. May I leave? Okay, thank you so much.